Hey everyone, welcome back to BrightTag Design. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a modern business card design in CorelDRAW, step by step. So let's get started. First of all, select the letter size page. That's the standard size for your business card layout. Now double click on the rectangle tool and a rectangle will automatically appear around your page. Next, pick the freehand tool and draw a straight line. Then select the shape tool and choose both nodes of that line. Now right-click and select Convert to Curve. Add one more node right in the center. Then rotate the middle node slightly to create a smooth curve. Also, rotate the top node just a bit and do the same for the bottom node to give it a balanced, curved shape. Now select the Extrude tool and extrude it just like this. From the Extrude Type menu, choose this type and slightly reduce the extrusion. Right-click on it and select Break Apart. Next, delete the original line that we created earlier. Pick the Smart Fill tool and fill color inside this new shape. After that, delete the shape you don't need anymore. Now, we're going to give this shape a golden color. If you can't see the color clearly, click on this color palette icon. Then click on Show Color Names so you can see the names on every color. Scroll down the list, find the golden color, and drag it onto the shape, drop it here, and also drop it again on the top side. Next, click on the Interactive Fill tool and apply a gradient fill. Change the white color to golden, and also drop a golden shade in the middle to make it shine. Now darken this golden tone a bit to give it a rich look. Copy its color code and paste it into the next color box. Press Enter to apply it. Repeat the same process again. Give this shape a nice golden gradient with 2 color drops in the middle. Make one side slightly brighter and the other side a bit darker for depth. Copy the color code again and paste it into the second one for perfect blending. Drop golden shades on both edges as well. Now select all the shapes and remove the outlines. Give this background area 90% black color to add contrast. Then select everything together, right-click and choose Group. Remove outlines again if any are left to make it smooth and clean. Now place your text right here and also adjust your logo nicely on the layout. And that's it. Your professional business card design is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to BrightTag Design, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with more creative design tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next